Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of GitHub. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna solve your problem of that your dark mode on GitHub is not working. It is only possible if your GitHub has been associated with the system settings, and if your system settings is already on the light mode, but you want to access the dark version of GitHub, the dark mode. So in order to do that, just simply go to the settings. You can find the settings on the top right corner when you click on your profile picture. Once you do that, just simply go to the settings, or in the settings you can, in the left window, you can see this option which says appearance. Just simply tap it over here, and here you can see in under the theme mode it says sync with system. If your system has the light mode, currently it is all set to the light mode. Thankfully I am already having the dark mode, so the dark mode is enabled here. Now to do that, so just simply hit this and set the single theme, and enable the dark mode, whatever you when of which type, whatever type you wanted, and just simply set it as your theme. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.